Hare Krishna. So today I will give the demonstration how to do tilak, and after tilakam how to do achaman. As you know, for the tilakam you can do either you sit as a padmashanam, as like a cross leg, or you can sit a one feet is like you're bowing down, and then you can do the tilakam. Very beginning, what you need to do, we have a achman cup, then we have a tilak, and we have a mirror. So first of all, you take water on your left hand, then take some tilakam and prepare the tilakam. When you're preparing this tilakam, you're chanting the mantra which I sent. Om lalate keshavam dhayang narayanam mathudare bakhasthale madhavam tu govinda kanthakupake vishnasya dakshina kukshau bahusya madhusudanam त्रिविक्रमं बाहुस्य ऋषिकेशंस्य कंधरे पिष्ठे तु पद्मनाभस्य कट्टं दमदरं नश्वेत् तत्प्रक्षलन अन्त वासुदेवं उद्धनि. So ultimately, when the mantra is finished, tilak is almost ready. So tilakas are ready here. We place together this surround. Now you're taking a mirror and you're doing the tilakam. Om lalate keshavaya namaha. So meaning says, you say Om Keshavaya Namaha. Then I have a cloth, white cloth. It is a little wet, so I can clean up. As much you can make straight line. I'm trying to make a straight, even though I'm not a good artist. Then you apply tulsi, the tulsi leaves. Make sure when you're applying the tulsi leaves, your nail should not touch on tilakam. Okay, so it should not be nails. That's why that you should not keep the big nails, because the nails is touched to the tilakam, it is actually contaminated. So you have to make sure no nails on tilakam. Clean up the tulsi. After you done this, then you do take a little bit of thinner the tilakam, because there's a little bit of thicker, so I'm just making a little bit of water and a little thinner, then applying on belly button on top. Om Narayanaya Namaha. Om Madhavaya Namaha. Om Govindaya Namaha. Om Sri Vishnave Namaha. On right side. Om Madhusudanaya Namaha. So you have to make sure it's come like visible it is. Om Trivikramaya Namaha. Now on left side, Om Vamanaya Namaha. Om Sridharaya Namaha. Om Rishikeshaya Namaha. Now on the back, Pishthetu Padmanabhasya. Om Padmanabhaya Namaha. Katideshaha Kattang Damadaram Nashyad. All the way bottom. Tat Prakshalana Anta Vashudevam Muddhani. What the rest of it? So just use a little bit of Om Vasudevaya Namaha. Now you wash your hand. And then you have to do the Achamanam. So this is a complete Achamanam you need to do. So before you do the Achaman, as you do the Tilakam, you just clean up this Tilakam. Specifically the visible areas should be clean. Because this is the temple of the Lord. So this temple of Lord always need to keep clean. Now, when you do the Achaman, as I mentioned, many times the devotees, we make mistake that we drink one time and then we wash our hand. That's not required. When you are drinking from over here, this is called the Brahma Tirtha, this is the Ganga Tirtham over here. So you are doing, drinking water from here. As, first of all, Om Keshavaya Namaha. Then again, same ayar. Om Narayanaya Namaha. Om Madhavaya Namaha. Then you wash your right hand. Om Govindaya Namaha. Wash your left hand. Om Sri Vishnave Namaha. Then Om, your right all fingertip. Om Madhusudanaya Namaha. Om Trivikramaya Namaha. Om Vamanaya Namaha. Om Sridharaya Namaha. So, Sridharaya Namaha with your finger. Okay, you saw? Then wash your both hand. Om Rishikeshaya Namaha. Then wash your both feet. Om Padmanabhaya Namaha. Sprinkle some water on your head. Om Damodaraya Namaha. Then all right fingertip. Om Vasudevaya Namaha. Then you do Briddhanguli and Tarjani. Om Shankarashanaya Namaha. Om Pradyumnaya Namaha. Om Aniruddhaya Namaha. Om Purushottamaya Namaha. Om Adhakshajaya Namaha. Om Narasimhaya Namaha. Om Achyutaya Namaha. Om Janardanaya Namaha. Om Upendraya Namaha. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Sri Krishnaya Namaha. You complete your Achaman. Now you have to do your Shuddhikaran. Means you take a little bit of water and sprinkle on your head. Fold your hand and say Om Tada Vishnu Paramam Padam Shada Pashvanti Shurayaha Deviva Chakshura Tatam Tada Vipra Shaha Viparanaba Jagribam Shashamindhate Sri Vishnu Paramam Padam. Om Namah Sri Vishnu, Namah Sri Vishnu, Namah Sri Vishnu. Then, if you want, there is an optional, another one Shuddhikaran mantras. It is completely optional. If you want, you can chant. If you don't, absolutely fine. What is that mantra? Om apavitra pavitrava saravavastham gato viva yasmaret pundari kaksha shavarya abhantaro shuchihi. Om namo shuchihi, namo shuchihi, namo shuchihi. This is the completely Tilakam and Achamanam process. All the Vaishnavas, all the Gauriya Vaishnavas, you must do Tilakam and Achaman after you take fresh bath. Might be sometimes for your work. You cannot do this Tilakam, you can do water Tilakam. But you make sure when you come to the deity service or you're serving to the deity, that must be do the complete Tilakam and complete Achaman. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.